Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am making Japanese souffle pancakes. They're going to be fluffy, they're going to be yummy. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you guys all of the ingredients, what I use, the tools you're going to need to start. So here we go. Sugar, flour, baking powder, egg whites, 2 egg yolks, vanilla extract. You're gonna need a whisk and a spatula. Then we're gonna add in our milk. And we're just gonna take your whisk and just scoop it. Whisk it around. Now you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and whisk that in. This is how your mixture should start looking, like this. Alright, we're gonna put that to the side and start on our egg whites. And right here we have our 2 egg whites. And we're just gonna take your hand mixer and just mix it up until it gets fluffy. Alright, and once your egg whites start to look fluffy like this, you're going to add half of your sugar. Mix again. Alright, so what we're going to do next is we're going to add a little of our egg white mixture to our egg yolk mixture, and we're just going to take it like this. See how I'm doing that? And just stir it around. It should start looking like this. And then what you're going to do is add the rest of your egg white mixture. So now you're going to take your whisk and you're just going to move it around your bowl like this. Not necessarily stirring, but just taking it around like that. Look. Now, so we got some oil. I'm going to put on a paper towel and just rub it around your pan. Make sure you use a non-stick pan. They're not expensive and they're a really good investment. So and just drop it. And just get it like that. I'm gonna cover it up. Alright, so now we're gonna just check it to see if it's ready to flip. I'm just gonna take your spatula. No. Can you see that? I mean, it's not ready, so we're gonna cover it up for a couple more minutes. Add some more water and cover it back up. And there we have it, y'all. There's our Japanese souffle pancakes. The recipe isn't as easy, but it doesn't take a whole lot of ingredients. So if you mess up, you can try again. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.